Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious steak cubes, step by step. First, select a good cut of beef, like sirloin or ribeye, for optimal tenderness. Next, carefully trim any large pieces of excess fat from the steak. Then, cut the meat into uniform 1-inch cubes, ensuring even cooking. Finally, pat the steak cubes thoroughly dry with paper towels. This crucial step helps achieve a beautiful, flavorful crust when searing. Now, let's get cooking. Heat about 1 tablespoon of high smoke point oil, like canola or grapeseed, in a heavy-bottomed skillet over medium-high heat until shimmering. Add the steak cubes in a single layer, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Sear them for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until a rich, brown crust forms. Cook in batches if necessary to maintain high heat and achieve that perfect sear. Once seared, it's time to add some incredible flavor. Season your steak cubes generously with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. For an aromatic touch, toss in minced garlic and fresh herbs such as rosemary or thyme during the last minute of cooking. You can also deglaze the pan with a splash of beef broth or red wine, scraping up any brown bits to create a simple, delicious sauce. After cooking, transfer your steak cubes to a plate and let them rest for about 5 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring every bite is tender and flavorful. These versatile steak cubes are fantastic served alongside creamy mashed potatoes, roasted asparagus, or a fresh garden salad. They also make a wonderful addition to stir fries or skewers. For more great deals, and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Enjoy your perfectly cooked steak cubes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.